The reality of the TryRating task. Let's be honest with each other. Most of you are watching this because you are tired of the guessing game or trying to find the answers. You spend hours every day watching videos for comprehensive answers, hoping this would be right, but at the same time, you have lack of confidence and always fearing of passing the exam, or of that quality alert mail in your inbox. If you are already working, you've likely watched many tutorials that show you what to click, but they never explain why. Leaving with some new questions and confusion, I see the frustration in the comments and the forums. People are putting a lot in the work, but they are lacking the right direction. If you are tired of the stress of not knowing if you would pass or if your account is safe, then it is time to change your approach. We aren't here to just finish one task. We are here to master the system that makes the whole platform run. There are many channels and groups out there promising exam support or paid classes to help you pass. They want you to enroll in expensive courses just to learn the basics or workarounds. But as an experienced professional, I have a different philosophy. I believe that professional mastery in any skills should be accessible to everyone who is willing to work hard for it. That is why this 100 video course is completely free. We aren't selling you hacks or quick fixes for an exam. We are giving you the full in-depth logical knowledge and the real rules of the TryRating guideline. Why pay for a temporary tip when you can get a permanent professional education right here for free? We are here to build your career, not just sell you a class. There is a major misconception that every country has its own unique rules. Some people might tell you that you only need to know regional tricks, but whether you are evaluating in New York, London, or Mumbai, the core guideline logic is exactly the same. The company uses one universal engine to decide what the user wants. While the language on the map changes, maybe it's Hindi, maybe it's Urdu or English, the logic gate for search intents never changes. This series is dedicated to that core logic. By mastering the international standard for free, you aren't just learning to analyze one market, you are learning the universal language of the entire platform. By opting for this course, you are becoming a global specialist. This is not a collection of random videos. This is a 100 video course designed to rebuild your analytical mind. Think of this as a structured apprenticeship. I'm not just sharing my screen to show you how to solve tasks. That doesn't help you in the long run. Instead, I'm providing an engineered path to total independence. We will break down the guideline line by line. We will start with the simple options on the interface and move all the way to the most difficult geographic and rule-based problems. We are replacing your gut feeling with a professional system. We are confident by watching just first 2 videos on basics. We'll give you more clarity than ever before. And by the time we reach video 100, the confusion you feel today will be replaced by total certainty. As I mentioned, difficult geographic problems. In our structured roadmap, we call these spatial traps. Let me explain what that means simply. A spatial trap is a geographic trick where the map tries to confuse you. Maybe the pin looks correct, but it's actually in the wrong city. Or maybe the boundaries of a neighborhood are hidden. Beginners fall into these traps every day and lose their accounts. But in this course, we will learn how to spot these tricks from a mile away. To beat these traps, you need a strong foundation. This is why our 100 video sequence is so important. Every video is a building block that prepares you for the next challenge. While there is one mandatory rule for your success. Do not skip any videos. You must follow this roadmap in the exact order we have created it. Most people fail because after watching 1 or 2 videos, they jump to video 15. They try to learn the hard things before they master the basics. They try to judge user intent before they even understand viewport freshness. Actually, skipping ahead is the fastest way to get confused. Each module is a prerequisite for the next. The simple things we learn in Series 1 are the fuel for the complex problems we solve in Phase 4. Trust the sequence for now. Don't ask why. We are starting with the basic interface and hidden workarounds. Just know that this is the only way to build the knowledge and the logic that never fails. There is a massive difference between a rater and an analyst. A rater is someone who worries as soon as new task is displayed on screen. They are always dependent on others. But an analyst is someone who understands the system that creates the tasks. When you commit to this 100 video journey, you are choosing to become an analyst. You are choosing to master how the platform actually works. We are stripping away the human error and replacing it with an engineered workflow. This is the end of your guesswork and the beginning of your professional mastery. You are here to join the top 1% of evaluators in the world. Imagine opening a task and knowing the correct rating with absolute certainty within seconds. Not because you've seen that exact task before, but because you understand the logic that governs the result. That is the goal of this course. If you stay with the course and follow every instruction in this roadmap, you will become a fully independent specialist. You won't need to pay for classes. You won't need to join Telegram groups for answers. You will understand the rules better than the system itself. Your professional career starts here. So we stop guessing and we stop the page shortcuts. We begin with the absolute baseline. We are going to deconstruct the TryRating environment until you know every button and options and every rule by heart. This is the only direction that leads to elite performance. If you are ready to stop being a beginner and become a professional analyst, then your training begins now. No more shortcuts, no more confusion, just pure engineered mastery on TryRating tasks. Welcome to the course. Hit the like and subscribe buttons if you are ready to commit to this 100 video journey. The one thing you need to do is just comment below, "I am ready," to log your commitment to the process.